What is good, everybody? Welcome back to another trade recap. It is October 15th. I have not been trading for the past maybe like week and a half. I just got, destroyed on those first 2 days of October, and I decided, all right, I need a break, mental reset, and come back with a fresh mind and a fresh space, and just needed a break from trading. But what we're looking at here today is a trade that I took, but I got stopped out at break even because my Ninja Trader, for some reason, it stopped me out, like right around here when there's actually no price action that was playing out right here, kind of tilting. But we'll go into the day. All right. So going into the day, we had prior day high, these Asia highs, right? On the 1 minute right here, right? This high is also prior day high. Looking into the chart, right? We had this right at market open. We dump lower. Perfect. I'm looking at this 15-minute fair value gap. I'm looking at this 4-hour fair value gap, which are London lows, and I'm looking for. Well, at first I was looking for shorts because we inverted this 15-minute, but once we tapped this we inverted this 15-minute and we retraced into here. And once we tapped this 15-minute, I was like, dang, this reaction and this displacement and this generation of liquidity, like, it looks pretty good for longs. And we have this SMT here. So I decided to trade this long, and then I was going to hold to all this generated liquidity and ultimately to Asia highs. But yeah, I got stopped out at break even for some reason. Kind of annoying, a little bit frustrating, but it is what it is. I didn't take these 1 minute longs because I wasn't necessarily looking for longs at the time. I was looking for shorts because I was waiting for this 15-minute to get inverted, maybe create a 15-minute trade up into it and then trade lower. But this kind of displacement and movement from this 15-minute gap got me looking for longs instead, because I could see both directions, right? And the way we generated this liquidity, it's like, okay, if we're gonna go short, we're gonna see like displacement, trade up, and boom, lower. But this is like chop, 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 chop. Creating failure swings here and here. But yeah, and I think trading longs from here felt a little bit premium without having traded lower first. So that was the idea behind that. But that's going to be the trade recap for the day. Yep, nothing crazy. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.